So my dear students, today we are going to discuss about the place where you want to go, the place where you enjoy a lot, and also the place where you go for purchasing the things. So what kind of things? Like stationery, grocery, clothes, etc. So now can you guess the place name? Yes, it is the market. So today's topic is market around us. So we are going to discuss about market, its need and different kinds of market. So let's start the topic market around us. So here you can see a person is selling something to a other person. So here the seller is selling the things to a buyer. So market is a place where seller sell his products or things and buyer purchase the things he needs. So market is a place where seller sell his products and buyer buy the products. So this is the scene of a market. So now we are going to discuss need of the market. So what is the need of market? So everyone knows. So when we are in some need, then we have to go market. So what are the things we need on the daily basis? So it can be vegetable, soap, toothpaste, notebook, grocery, clothes. So many things are there. We go for buying on daily basis. Then what are the different ways used by farmers to sell his surplus products? Because farmer grows his product for selling purpose, and after his satisfying his need, surplus items he sell in the market. So where he goes for the selling these things? So first of all, first way he goes to the money lender, because sometimes farmers are very poor and he don't have the money to grow the products. Then he take the loan from a money lender, and then money lender take the promise to sell his product to money lender only. Then there is a only option for the farmer to sell his product to money lender only. He is also known as trader. So money lender is known as trader also. Then he sell his product to the weekly village market or the haats, or sometimes he sell his product in the village fair. Although village fairs are held once in a year, but sometime farmer go to the fair to sell his products. Then third option he has to sell his products through the mandis. So in mandis, in small or large towns, he sell his products in the mandis. So you also aware about the vegetable mandi? Those farmer go for the selling his product in the mandis. So in the mandis there are some dalals, or you can say middleman, who help the farmer to sell his product to the wholesaler or aartis. So in mandis, who help him? So the trader or a middleman help him to sell his product to the money wholesaler. Then we are going to discuss now retail market and wholesale market. So what is the retail market? So retail market can be defined as the market where goods are sold directly to the consumer. So here you can see the seller is selling his product to the consumer directly. So there is no middleman between two. Means there is no trader between two. So seller is selling his product to buyer directly or a consumer directly. Then wholesale market. So wholesale market is a place where the seller sell his product in the bulk. So in large quantity he sell his products. So When we go to the retail market or when we go to the wholesale market, so we go to retail market when we want to buy things in a small quantities, like when we want to buy 1 kg fruit, then we will go to the retail market. Or when we want to buy a one suit or one pant shirt, then we will go to the retail market. If we want to purchase the things in a large quantity, sometimes we have family function, then we will go to the wholesale market, because wholesaler is a person who sell his product in the large quantity for earning large profit. So we go to the wholesale market when we want to buy the things in a large quantity, and also retailer buy the things from the wholesaler, because wholesaler sell his product in bulk even. Then we go to the wholesale market when we want the things in a large quantity.